you take from hotel room?
Hotel room. When I was a kid, I've taken a towel,
Okay.
sabun, shampoo.
Alright, that was quick.
But what you should not take from a hotel room, I'm going to tell you. Lamp, godra, gatla,
Table, the chair.
table, istri, remote. That's something you should never take.
Do people take that also?
Done? Alright. So this is the hairband.
You got it. Which band it is? Very smart.
I have sisters.
Yeah. It's a nice observation.
Okay.
So are you ready?
Yeah, but I can see here is Kinneri.
That's very funny.
I think I have to wear glasses over this. Alright, bring it on.
Yeah, so let's get started. So the first dish on the way. So yes, now you can taste and tell us what it is. थोड़ा और आगे, yes, you have it.
This is vanilla gatia.
बिना चखे you cannot say.
No.
See,
Oh, this is that
what?
the chakna.
Can you elaborate? थोड़ा और.
अच्छा ना आलू सेव ની વચ્ચે આવે એક નાનકડું ફ્રીમાં. I don't know exactly આને શું કહેવાય પણ the one who have had આલુ સેવ એના પેકેટમાં અંદરથી એક કે બે આવા પીસીસ નીકળ્યા.
Very near.
Okay. Is this fullavdi?
Perfect. Here you go. All right, so we'll have the another dish.
Wow. I didn't do as bad as I thought.
Yeah, you did pretty well. Yes, so here is it. थोड़ा ध्यान से, it's little.
What?
थोड़ा चख के बताइए क्या है.
Oh, it's too much. I don't even know where my mouth is.
You can smell it, हाँ. Don't tell me it's very simple.
No, it's very nice. Can I have a few bites and then tell you what it
आराम
is?
से you tell us के શું છે.
Can you give me some tail and some achari masala over it? Then I tell you what it is.
Sharp taste buds, huh?
Khichu.
Wow,
What else?
bang on. Perfect guess. So
Keep
what?
this, huh? After this game, I'm going to have this. I loved it.
So did you like it?
Loved it.
Wow.
Yeah, achar પણ છે આમાં.
Yes,
ઉપર
yes.
મસાલો.
The oil and the achar.
મેથીનો મસાલો.
Yeah. So one more. I
Now,
think.
Kinnari, at the end, tell me
Yeah.
કે તે ખરેખર આ easy રાખ્યા છે કે I'm very good at it.
No, you're very good at guessing.
She has to do this because she has asked me to come.
I think આ થોડું difficult હોઈ શકે.
Hello?
Oh my god.
I don't know. I'll have to try.
Yeah, you try.
Hello.
I think my viewers are going to tell me કે આ પહેલેથી fix થયેલું છે.
You never know. But I loved this as well, yeah.
Yeah.
This is so good. Please bring some more dishes. I'm loving this.
All yours. So now you can take out the band. So
I'll have to wear glasses.
yeah, you are very good at guessing.
Wow.
So
This is so amazing.
yeah, you are the winner of the game.
Yay! But what do I get? Khichu. I don't want anything. I just want Khichu to be my prize.
No, we have a prize for you as well.
Wow, this is so amazing, yaar.
I hope you like it.
I loved it. Who made this?
The tea post.
Oh. I really have childhood memories with this one.
Okay.
So ખીચું છે ને હવે બહુ પોપ્યુલરલી બધે મળતું થઈ ગયું છે.
Right.
પહેલા ખાલી મેળામાં મળતું.
Right.
અને મેળામાં પણ ઇટ્સ અ વેરી ન્યૂ થિંગ. જ્યારથી સ્વીટ કોર્ન આવ્યા ને ત્યારથી ખીચું મેળામાં આવ્યું છે. એના પહેલા યુ વુડ ઓનલી ગેટ કેન્ડી ફ્લોસ ને એવી બધી વસ્તુઓ.
Right.
સો મારા નેબર હતા એ લોકો ઘરે પાપડ બનાવે. સો જ્યારે પાપડ બને ને ઇન ધ સીઝન હું કોઈ દિવસ ત્યાં જ બેસી જાઉં અને આંટી થોડું થોડું ખીચું મને આપે એન્ડ આઈ વુડ ઈટ ઇટ એન્ડ ટિલ ટુડે આઈ ફીલ દેટ wherever best place I have ખીચું એ
Right.
આંટીના હાથનો જે ટેસ્ટ છે ને,
એ ક્યાંય નહીં મળ્યો.
I'm just missing it. I don't know if that auntie is alive today, where is she living, God bless her.
Right.
But I think that's the earliest memory of khichu that I
recall,
have.
right.
It is so amazing. Thank you.
So Dhruval, that was quite quick and you guessed all of them so correctly. So you have the inner chef alive. I mean, you have to explore the new dishes regularly.
I'm so happy that I did this. I can't believe
You
that I won this game.
All right. So we have a very good hamper for you for
No,
revealing-
this is fine.
No. This has to be. So this is pretty hamper by Macron's Bakery for you. Hope you like
Okay.
this.
Thank you so much. This looks very lovely.
Thank
Should I
you.
open it or should I go home and open it?
I think you have to wait. Go home and open it.
Oh, I can't wait. Something is cold here.
Yeah. You want to guess what is there inside?
I guess.
All right. Thank you so much.
Let your viewers guess it. What could be inside and tell you in the comments.
So Dhrumil, after winning a very good round of the blindfold game, we have some another surprise for you. Of course,
Wow.
not a surprise, but a rapid fire
I
round.
think the surprise is food. You're constantly feeding me. Every 5 minutes there is something that I get to eat.
No, we have lot many varieties. I hope you like it.
I'm loving this.
All right. So now we are going to start with the rapid round,
Okay.
wherein you'll be given 5 seconds to think upon, and you have to rapidly answer.
Oh, baapre.
I hope the food does not disturb you in that.
No, I don't know where to concentrate more.
All right.
Okay.
Shall we begin?
Done.
All right. So the first question goes like this: 3 street food that you love to eat.
Pad Thai noodles.
Okay.
Um,
Quite quick.
hot dog.
Hot dog. That was not that difficult.
And no, I love so much. I don't know which one to pick. And the third one has to be
Time's up.
Gugra.
That was a little late. All right. So another thing: 3 things you take from hotel room.
Hotel room. When I was a kid, I've taken a towel,
Okay.
sabun, shampoo.
All right. That was quick.
But what you should not take from a hotel room, I'm going to tell you: lamp, godra, gadla,
Table, the chair.
table, istri, remote. That's something you should never take.
Do people take that also?
Yeah.
Oh my God, let's not talk about this on camera at least. All right. So 3 things you want to before you die.
I want to leave a legacy behind.
All right.
I want to be remembered. Like if people remember me, they think of somebody who passes on good energy,
All right.
and
Interesting.
and somebody who made a difference
All right.
in the littlest possible way.
So doing pretty much for all these things.
Yeah,
For now.
somebody who made a difference. I can think a naughty thing as well, but I think it's good to be nice.
All right. So another question on your way. 3 celebrities you last spoke with.
3 celebrities that I last spoke with.
Yeah.
Is it just one way or two way?
Anyway, however you
Okay,
like.
then it's Priyanka Chopra. If it's one way,
So why did she revert back to you? Like how one way you are
I'm
talking?
sure she must be busy.
All right. She did not revert it.
So I last texted, as in DM Priyanka Chopra.
All right.
I loved a video by Michelle Obama.
Okay.
So I texted her, DM'd her,
All right.
writing about it. And third,
Nobody.
I don't think so.
Don't remember?
I mean, हमने नवरात्रि वक्त I kept on messaging a lot of celebrities for interviews,
Acha.
but they kept asking for money.
Let's skip it. All right. 3 favorite song of yours.
आज जाने की जिद ना करो,
All right.
लग जा गले कि फिर हंसी रात हो ना हो, and सूरज डूबा है यारो
Wow.
दो घुट नशे के बाद।
Quite romantic numbers, huh? I like it.
अरे दुख भरे नंबर्स है।
All right. So any stories behind?
No story.
Do you want our viewers to listen that also? All right. So another question on your way.
Okay, sorry, I missed out one more.
What?
ले आया दिल
Wow.
मजबूर।
Awesome. So 3 favorite ingredients of yours for cooking.
Cinnamon. I think it
Okay.
is very, very underrated. Cinnamon can change everything.
Right.
Try putting cinnamon in your chai.
Does it
You-
smells good?
You'll love that chai.
Oh.
Yeah, this rapid fire is so difficult for me.
But you are not rapid, huh? Let
I'm
me
not
tell
at
you.
all. I agree.
You are not winning any hampers for this now.
Can we have this memo fire round? पहले memo train ना चलती हो धीमे
Yeah, but
6
we are
कलाक के
doing
बाद.
that.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's not name it rapid.
Yeah.
First off.
At least for me to name it. So cinnamon is the least બહુ વધારે એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ નથી થયો ઇન્ગ્રીડિયન્ટની સાથે.
Right.
Another ingredient is પોડી પાવડર.
What's that now?
અથવા આપણે ગન પાવડર કહીએ જે સાઉથ
Okay.
ઇન્ડિયન ફૂડમાં પાવડર અને એમાં ઘી કે તેલ નાખવાનું and then
Okay.
you have it with dosa. That is amazing.
Alright.
And third is I'm so bad at it. I'm so bad at it.
Oh my god.
Little
more time.
Third of my favorite ingredient. સવારના વિચારે સાંજ થઈ ગઈ છે.
I think it could be dhania because I love dhania. कोई भी dish
Yeah.
dhania के बिना it's like quite incomplete.
Yeah, and people who know me will vouch for it કે હું ઓફિસમાં જતો હોઉં ને તો કોઈ દિવસ કંઈ બનાવ્યું ઉપર કોથમરી ના હોય તો I would stop at a સબ્જી સ્ટોર in between.
Oh my
એટલે
god.
5 રૂપિયાની કોથમરી લીધી અને તમે વિચાર કરો આમ ગાડીમાંથી ઉતરતા હો સ્ટાઇલ વાઇલ મારીને ચશ્મા પહેરીને જતા હો બટ 5 રૂપિયાની કોથમરી લો and then you wash it અને ઓફિસના સિંકમાં તમે સમારો and then you put it on your tiffin before you eat it.
Quite
So,
not
yeah,
Drumil thing. People,
very much Drumil thing.
I don't think people are going to believe Drumil ગાડીમાંથી ઉતારશે અને 5 રૂપિયાની કોથમીર વાંચે. It's quite strange.
You never know. આ તો 5 રૂપિયા આપું છું બાકી ફ્રીમાં લો મસાલાના પૈસા આપવાના હોય.
So you are typical Gujju.
Absolutely.
Great. So last thing on rapid fire round is
She has wrapped up the round. She's like he's taking पूरा दिन एक एक आंसर देने.
Yeah, you're so slow in answering. So 3 favorite movies of yours.
Again a very difficult question.
You do Red Postmortem on Red FM.
I
This has to be
know.
very easy for you.
Oh God, this is so difficult.
Don't tell me. Because it's lockdown and corona, you're not watching movies also.
Okay, I love Queen.
Alright.
જે મને સૌથી પહેલા મગજમાં આવે છે હું કહું છું. I love English Winglish.
Okay.
I love PS I Love You. I love ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Right.
I love Iron Lady.
Many more, huh?
Are too many.
Quite long answer for a rapid
Films,
fire.
yeah. But again, it's different genre at different point of time. One film that of late છેલ્લા 3-4 વર્ષમાં મેં multiple times જોયો હોય has to be Shape of Water.
Alright. So and another question for you coming your way is 3 favorite person in your life.
Oh,
There are more?
yeah.
Alright.
I me myself. Apart from that, my mom.
Alright.
I love her. My daddy, who isn't alive anymore, unfortunately.
Okay.
She's my favorite
Of all times.
of all time, and
Yeah.
my closest friend Kevin.
Oh. So there's no another lady we were going to, we wanted something out of your mouth, some secrets to be revealed. But you're very smart. Alright. Then another thing.
This is very good, by the way.
Yeah, you liked it? You're not eating much. I don't know you are on diet, is
On
it?
camera, as if you are eating.
I ate so much. You are like. I
Oh,
figure-
the team ate it.
Alright. So the last question of rapid fire round. Which are the destinations you want to travel again?
Again,
Yeah. So once you visited and again you want to go.
I want to go to Cairns in Australia.
Okay.
I want to go to Billing, જે હું ગયો હતો. And third place that I want to go again is Khao San Road in Bangkok.
Oh, alright.
Because for anybody who wants to backpack, કે solo traveling શરૂ કરવું હોય, that is the place to start your backpacking.
Alright.
So these are the 3 places.
So you quite performed well, but I'm not sure we are going to give any hampers for you this round because you were not a good performer. So that's as an end to the rapid fire round.
मैं नहीं खेल रहा, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
Hope you perform well another time. So Dhrumil, you know about our channel, the Food Diaries is all about creating memories. Before we let you go, we would love to have your autograph and a photograph with you.
Wow, photograph is fine, but autograph, I mean,
Autograph the
क्योंकि achieve નથી કર્યું life માં.
No, that you feel. We feel better than this. So why don't we take your
Okay,
autograph?
done.
Yeah?
જો સારા ફૂડીઝ છે ને એ ઓડકાર ખાય. So rather than saying cheese, you got to burp.
I don't
Burp and take a picture. 1, 2, 3.